This is a really simple and easy way to marinate your chicken. The mustard is very good at bringing the flavors together, so be generous with your mustard. My camera girl helped me season the chicken. I think she did a wonderful job. Using lemon and oranges in all of my marinades, even when I make soup. It just brings a different flavor to the food. I think you would like it.
Can I talk?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Chicken's gonna have a lot of seasoning.
No. All of them are gonna be equally seasoned. I wanted to leave the volume on in some of the videos so that you can hear the concern over the seasoning that my camera girl has. So it was just so adorable hearing her say stuff.
What are you doing?
I forgot this step. This is the first step you have to do after your chicken is washed. I obviously forgot, but these cuts do help the flavors go into the meat. After the chicken had been marinating for 30 minutes, my Weber was already nice and hot, so I took the chicken outside to grill it, and to my surprise it started raining that day, which I didn't mind. I really enjoy the rain, and I enjoyed cooking in the rain. It was really beautiful, so I think this chicken came out better than I expected, just because there was a lot of joy involved in it. Too thick. It rained already. See those drops? There you have it, my friends, grilled chicken. It turned out so good. I hope you make it. If you do, please leave me a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and check out my other videos. See you on the next one.